So next, we have Dato Sri Azharuddin Abdul Rahman, Chairman of Strat Aero Malaysia, who will share with us the vision of UTM in Malaysia. Please welcome Dato Sri Azharuddin Abdul Rahman live from Malaysia. Over to you, Dato Sri.
Thank you, MC, for the introduction. Mr. Zainul Abidin Mazlan, the Deputy Chief Executive Officer of CAM, Dato Lester, the Chief Executive Officer of Strat Aero Malaysia, and also the President of the Malaysia UAS or UAV Development Association, MUDA, Mr. Leon Dipas, the Chief Executive Officer of Unifly, and ladies and gentlemen. It is my pleasure today to welcome all of you to the first virtual World UAV Summit 2021, and next the launching of the collaboration between Unifly and Strat Aero on UTM, and also the launching of the Unifly BLIP, BLIP. I welcome and say thank you to all the speakers that came near and far from China, Japan, Europe, Malaysia, all of whom, a total number of 10 of them, are experts in their field of expertise. We also welcome all the attendees to this webinar. For the record, there are 600 participants registered for this summit, and a total of 380 attended today's session. And thank you to all of you. And also thank you to the friends from the media. Ladies and gentlemen, the emergence of unmanned aerial systems, or UAS, or commonly known as drones, is changing the way we configure and manage our skies. The drones, with new shapes and capabilities, operate at much lower altitudes, and the operations of these drones have multiplied by day. Therefore, an air traffic management, or ATM system, need to have another set of ATM called Unmanned Aircraft System Traffic Management, or the UTM. The UTM is therefore now a critical component to enabling these new aerial vehicles, i.e. the drones, to safely enter and share the airspace. The collaboration, which is going to be launched today between Strat Aero Malaysia and Unifly from Belgium, is therefore timely, which opens up limitless potentials and possibilities for the elevations of Malaysia's airspace safety, security, governance, and standard as envisioned by the Civil Aviation Authority of Malaysia, CAAM, to meet the demand of the rapid growth of drones application industries. Strat Aero Malaysia is an established drone service provider, whilst Unifly from Belgium is a global UTM solution provider. Together we will connect the drone operators with the UTM authority for safe and secure integration of the drones into the national airspace. We are also going to launch the Unified BLIP. BLIP stands for Broadcast, Location and Identification Platform, a high-quality drone tracking device providing maximum tracking accuracy, minimal update latency, and secured communications to Unifly's cloud services. It reports, among other things, the drone position with identifications and a series of other flight parameters using the long-term evaluation Cat1 cellular network connectivity, or commonly known as LTE Cat1. The Strat Aero and Unifly collaboration will also explore concept of drones operations, data exchange requirements, and the supporting framework to enable multiple beyond line of sight drone operators, or BVLOS, at low altitude of under 400 feet above ground level in airspace where CAAM's air traffic services are not provided. It also supports air traffic control operations registration and operations approval requirements for drone operations. Therefore, both Strat Aero and Unifly hope the regulator, the ATS Authority, Air Traffic Services Authority, the industry will able to adopt this UTM system, not only for the safety and the efficiency of the drones operation, but also for other airspace users as well. With the implementation of this UTM and also the usage of Unifly BLIP, drone operations is expected to increase, both in the recreational and the commercial domain. Inevitably will create job opportunities. Ladies and gentlemen, last but not least, I would like to convey my utmost gratitude to the organization committee of today's event, led none other by Dato Lester Teh Kimbun, the CEO of Strat Aero Malaysia. Without further ado, I hereby officially launch the collaboration of Strat Aero and Unifly on UTM and also the launching of the Unifly BLIP. May God bless this noble intention. Thank you.
The increasing popularity of drones calls for new ways to identify them. Who is flying the drone? Where is the pilot? Unifly's BLIP answers those questions. It acts as an electronic license plate for drones. BLIP is part of Unifly's vision for the safe integration of drones. BLIP stands for Broadcast Location and Identity Platform. It is a reliable, robust, efficient e-identification and tracking solution for drones. You can find the free Unifly BLIP app in the App Store. BLIP connects via Bluetooth. Simply select it in the app, attach the BLIP to your drone, and you are ready for takeoff. Next, select Start Flight. Do not worry about turning it on. BLIP starts automatically when it senses vertical movement. BLIP is highly integrated, fully autonomous, and easy to use. BLIP complies with the ASTM F38 remote ID and tracking standards and Open Drone ID protocol to transmit data. BLIP has a built-in battery, sensors for position, altitude, temperature, pressure, speed, and heading. All these data are made available in real time. The app also shows the takeoff position and drone location details, such as track direction, ground speed, registration ID, and serial number. Unifly's unmanned traffic management technology safely integrates drones into the airspace. Unifly offers a step-by-step future-proof path towards a full UTM solution. Our fully integrated solution is in use today in multiple countries and supports all stakeholders. Drone operators can plan and request required flight permissions. National and local authorities can identify and track drone traffic in their area of responsibility. Use Unifly's award-winning technology to transform your UTM vision into reality now.
Thank you, Dato Sri, very much for your time to launch the BLIP and UTM. Congratulations to Unifly and Strat Aero Malaysia. May continued success fly you away.